First of all, thanks for your introduction through the Google form. Okay, so it's a mixed crowd basically. Freshers are there, and the people who are already working on Oracle EBS, they want to upskill themselves, and then some people are from banking domain. They would like to switch to IT side from non-IT, and some people are having domain experience. And thanks for the details. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Krishna, and I'm the founder and director of TechLeads IT, and we started TechLeads IT in 2012, back in 2012. And we started our training journey with Oracle EBS courses. And then now we completely moved to Oracle Fusion courses. We are predominantly into Oracle ERP courses. And we recently started few SCP courses as well. Okay, if you want. And coming to my experience, I'm having total 18 years of experience completely into Oracle ERP side. And out of this 18 years of experience, I would like to break down into Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion. Under Oracle EBS, I worked on Oracle EBS projects till 2015. And from 2016 onwards, I am working on Oracle Fusion projects only. So I would say 4 + 4, 8 years into Oracle Fusion. Okay. And coming to my model skill set, my major models are supply chain and procurement, and the secondary models are discrete manufacturing and process manufacturing, and I have basic, I would say intermediate knowledge into planning models also. Okay, so MRP, ACP, and supply planning. Okay, coming to my training experience, in Oracle EBS, I delivered already 53 batches. In Oracle Fusion also, I completed 60 plus batches in Oracle Fusion. And I'm also an Oracle University instructor. Whenever I have a free time, I used to take assignments from Oracle University also to deliver trainings to the big MNC companies like Accenture, Wipro, and then LTI Mindtree. Okay, so whenever I have a free time, I pick up those assignments also. Okay. So the purpose of meeting here, all of us to see, how this course is going to be helpful to you if you're a fresher, or if you're currently working on Oracle EBS, how it will help you to enhance or upskill yourself. And if you're working on some domain or non-IT side, how this course will be helpful. So that we'll see in the coming slides. Okay. First of all, before we understand what is supply chain procurement, and this is basically an agenda. We have to understand first of all what is ERP. Okay. So I'll tell you a simple example for what is ERP, our day-to-day life example. So to understand the Oracle ERP applications, you have to think like an entrepreneur, and you have to think like a businessman. If you're having a business, okay, and how you think and how you operate, how you execute, how you plan, that's how you think. You have to adapt to that mindset as an entrepreneur or as a businessman. So before I start explaining about ERP technical definition, I will take you one a real our day-to-day life example. Suppose you're having a small retail shop. Small retail shop. Okay, you are a business owner for a small retail shop. What are the day-to-day transactions happens in your shop? Anyone? Okay, open your mic, nothing but unmute yourself and start expressing yourself. Okay, and then again mute yourself, team. What are the day-to-day transactions happens in your shop?
Yeah, this is Manish.
Yeah, Anish.
So basically, I procured some items from different
Mhm.
different
Yeah.
sources, uh,
Okay.
stack them
Mm-hmm.
appropriately, name them, label them, and whenever the customer comes, I pay. I give sell them the products to the customer, and in the lieu of that, I get the money. I maintain the register of my daily transactions. At the end of the day, I know what is the collection of the day, and this is the basic things that is happening on the smaller shop.
Okay. Thanks, Avinash, for sharing your idea.
Thank you.
And anyone would like to go next?
I'm Lokesh.
Yeah, okay.
So usually we track the inventory, like how much quantity of stock is there in the our store, or like and how we are just maintaining the quality, and how we are just keeping up to the required levels by checking the like replenishments. So all these things. how we adjust the stocks as per their type of goods. So like this.
Okay. So basically, procurement transactions, nothing but if you need stock, you purchase the stock and you maintain your inventory, and you sell to your customers, and you'll pay to your suppliers, and you'll receive the payment from your customers, and you pay operational expenditure also, like salaries and office rent, power bill, okay, or water bill, and also you maintain your employee information also. So all this data you're going to maintain in a book if you're having a single shop or a small shop. Okay, but you're having operations across the globe. Across the whole globe you are having operations. Okay, then you need an application to capture, to maintain all these day-to-day business transactions related to your procurement and related to your sales, your stock information, and your finance data, your manufacturing data, and your HR, your employee data. You need an application to capture all these day-to-day transactions. That application is called as an ERP application. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. All these are the company resources. How effectively, all these are the enterprise resources. Enterprise is nothing but a company. How effectively you are managing all these resources, information in an ERP application, which is called ERP. Okay. And suppose you are maintaining all these transactions in a book or in an Excel. Okay. So you can actually override at any point of time you want. You can update, you can override, but in an application, you cannot override like that. There should be a policies or procedures and approvals and audit is there. Okay. Or audit is also there. So, your auditors are going to question why you have updated this, who approved it. Okay. So as a company that we are running, we have to submit our annual turnover reports or profit reports or tax reports. Okay. So we need to maintain compliances also. Okay. With the government. So in an ERP application, all these transactions and everything get maintained, and all the compliances and approvals and audits are get followed. In a book or in a register or in an Excel, it is not possible to follow all of it. Okay. And coming to ERP, so there are, many ERPs are available in the market. Small ERPs are there, and big ERPs also there. So SAP is also one of the ERP. Microsoft Dynamics is also one of the ERP, and Salesforce is also one of the ERP. Okay, and these two are our Oracle ERPs. These two are okay. Our Oracle has developed these two ERP applications. So this is the first ERP application that is developed by Oracle, Oracle E-Business Suite. Okay. And after that, from around 2008 and to 2010, Oracle started developing Oracle Fusion applications. This ERP. So you can ask me, sir, already Oracle is having one ERP. Why Oracle has developed one more ERP? What is the reason? Okay, I'll tell you. That is the next slide. This is the reason. This is the reason. So we have our invoice ERP application, which is Oracle EBS. This is our product. And parallel in the market, there are other ERPs who are also available. PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel. PeopleSoft is famous for HR, and JD Edwards is famous for procurement, since Siebel is famous for CRM, and our Oracle EBS is famous for financials. So different ERPs are famous for different areas. This is HR, this is procurement, and this is CRM, and this is financials. So Oracle has acquired these three companies, and Oracle has extracted all the best functionalities from Oracle has extracted all the best functionalities from all these different ERP application, and Oracle has built Fusion ERP. So Fusion ERP is a hybrid product. It's a mixture of all these ERP applications. This is our in-house ERP, and these are other ERPs that Oracle has acquired. It has mixed all these ERPs best functionalities, and it has developed a new ERP called Oracle Fusion. Okay. So down the line, the customers who are using Oracle EBS down the line, by 2035, in the next 10 years, they has to move to Oracle Fusion application. Every customer, New customers are going to use Oracle Fusion, and existing customers slowly they are migrating to Oracle Fusion application. And Oracle has given a cutoff also to migrate the current customers from Oracle e-business suite to Oracle Fusion application by 2035. Okay. And Oracle Fusion application is a cloud product. Sir, what is meant by cloud product? Okay. So the difference between cloud and on-premise is, if I take a simple example, the difference is pen drive and Google Drive. Pen drive and Google Drive. Pen drive is on-premise, and Google Drive is basically cloud, right? You are storing your data under cloud. Okay. So you are purchasing any hardware here. In case of cloud, you are purchasing any hardware here. Huh? Are you purchasing any hardware here in case of Google Drive? No, right?
No.
No.
In case of on-premise, nothing but pen drive, you are purchasing the hardware, right? Suppose today you purchased a pen drive, and after 1 year, again, one more pen drive with high capacity of speed, and you have to upgrade your hardware again, nothing but you need to purchase a new pen drive. So in case of on-premise, you have to invest on your hardware, you have to purchase the hardware, and you have to continuously upgrade your hardware also, because you're going to maintain your server within your company premises, within your company firewall. Okay, our Oracle EBS is actually on-premise solution. So because of that, a lot of expenditure, nothing but the hardware, we need to invest our money on hardware, nothing but capital expenditure, and operational expenditure is also more to maintain the servers. But Fusion application is a cloud-based product. Okay, so it's a subscription model. Okay, we'll pay 3 years or 5 years a subscription amount to Oracle, and Oracle will take care of everything. Oracle is going to host our application in Oracle data centers itself directly. We no need to maintain our servers. Oracle itself is going to maintain our server. It could be in terms of hardware or server maintenance. Everything is taken care by Oracle only. But in case of on-premise, to manage your server, you need system administrators, you need network administrators, and you need DBAs also to maintain your server. Suppose if 10 employees are maintaining your server, means for those 10 employees, you need an office space. If you need office space, you need a pantry, you need housekeeping department, security department, and employee engagement activities. All these are the operational expenditure and overheads also. So that everything can be eliminated in case of Fusion application, which is a cloud-based solution. Okay, and this is one of the major reason the customers who are currently using Oracle EBS, because I spoke to one of the IT director who is currently using Oracle EBS, and they are migrating to cloud. Okay, I asked him why you are migrating to the cloud. The answer I received is, we did the cost comparison during the renewal time, and we found Oracle Fusion is cheaper than Oracle EBS. That's why we are migrating to Oracle Fusion. Okay, that's a statement I heard from one of the IT director during my foreign visit for one of the implementation. Okay, so far in these slides, what we covered, first of all, what is ERP, and what are Oracle ERPs, and what is our first ERP, which is Oracle EBS, and the latest ERP is Fusion application, and what is the innovation for Fusion application, why Fusion application has built, because all these different ERPs has mixed and brought a new generation ERP called Fusion ERP, and it's a cloud-based solution also. Nothing but you no need to maintain any server. Okay, you can pay some amount to Oracle, nothing but you can subscribe from Oracle, and Oracle will take care of your servers. Okay, and this is a journey of Oracle Fusion application. Okay, as I mentioned, it started back in around 2010, Oracle Fusion application, and it has evaluated till now. Earlier, only HR models are available for the companies to use, only HR models. Nothing but you can hire employees, you can run the payroll for your employees. Okay, you can do the promotions, you can terminate your employees. Only HR operations are available, but in the current release, not only HR, financials, supply chain, procurement, discrete manufacturing, process manufacturing, planning, okay, and human capital management, mostly all the major models are available in the current releases. Okay, So this release 13 is nothing but it's a Oracle generation. Release 13 is nothing but Oracle generation. As per Oracle, we are moving towards the 13th generation. We have human generations, right? Right now we are in which human generation? We have human generations or not? Huh? What is our human generation? 21st generation, right? Hmm? So similarly, Oracle is also maintaining the generations. So as per Oracle, so if you take Oracle EBS, what is current Oracle EBS version?
R12, I guess.
Previous version?
11i.
11i. What about Oracle database? 11i, 12c. So
12.
Oracle products are currently in 12th generation and moving towards the 13th generation. Okay. And our previous generation was 12, 11. 11th generation, 12th generation, 13th generation. All the Oracle products, it could be Oracle ERP or Oracle database, other Oracle products. So the generation wise versions they are maintaining. Okay. So this 24 is nothing but 2024. Currently we are in 2024. D is nothing but last quarter. Oracle has divided an year into 4 quarters. So currently we are in the last quarter. So this is a quarterly upgrade application, which is the beauty here. Because if you are using a mobile app, sorry, you're all using mobiles, right? So frequently our operating system get upgraded, right? Frequently we get updates to our mobile. Frequently. Okay. So what is the purpose of that frequent updates?
They are releasing something in market.
Okay, new
Bug
functionalities.
fixing for existing system.
Okay, new functionalities and updating
Bug,
the existing bugs.
bug fixes. Yeah.
Yeah, updating the. So here the beauty in Fusion application is every quarter you identified one bug, I identified one bug, and some other person identified one bug, and we all reported all these bugs to Oracle, and Oracle is going to fix all of those bugs for us. So across the globe, whatever the customer reported bugs automatically get fixed on quarterly basis by Oracle. In case of EBS, that was a different story basically, because if you have identified a bug, you have to work with Oracle and you need to do the analysis of that bug, and then you have to get the patch from Oracle, and you have to do patch analysis, apply non-production environment, and then later after approvals and then after testing and all, you have to migrate to production. It's a mini project, okay? But in Fusion application, so it will be automatically fixed by Oracle. Okay, I have not seen any. We have not applied any patch in Fusion application. You don't have a control also. Okay, you have to approach Oracle, because who is maintaining our server? In case of Fusion application, who is maintaining our server?
Oracle.
Oracle. So Oracle will take care of that patching activity. You have to report a bug to Oracle. Oracle will do the bug analysis, and Oracle is going to create a patch, and then Oracle is going to apply that patch to your environment. Okay. And one more, the thing I really like is every quarter you see new look and feel and new functionalities get added, and which is exciting for the customers and which is interesting for the customers also. Every quarter new functionalities. In fact, there is a community also. Okay, in the community you can go there and you can post your ideas also. Hey, this is missing in Fusion application. If this is there, then it would be really good. You can post your idea, and Oracle is looking into all our ideas, and then slowly creating a pipeline to develop all those functionalities in the Fusion application. Okay. But in case of Oracle EBS, you have to manually upgrade your application. That is also again a mini project. Okay. So currently if you are in release 12, 2.2, 2.9. So latest is 2.9 or 2.10. I think 2.10, I think. So you have to manually upgrade your cloud servers to the newer, EBS servers to the newer version. Okay. That's again a project. So I'll be taking the classes on the latest application only, latest application, which is 24D. The same application is provided to for your practice also. Okay. And during the classes, I'll be covering what are the new features that has come up in the current release also. Not only in the current release, if I take you back 1 year back or 2 years back, from the last 2 years, what was not there and what is currently available. Okay. That comparison also I will give you during the classes. Okay. Salesh, you want to ask any question? You raised your hand. Go ahead.
I mean, like my question from, I mean, I just said out, if there is continuous updates, I mean, with respect to the application, being in the consulting side, as a consultant, how would we adapt to every change, like with the, I mean, like with the frequent changes, because we should be answerable to the, I mean, we should know before answering to the business, right?
Basically, not only Oracle ERP, if you take technology, okay, now we are in the AI, okay, continuously, not only Oracle ERP, every product is continuously, updating their functionalities, technology stack, and then features, and the way that we operate, the way that we look at, okay, every product is getting operated. So we all need to adapt to these technology changes, these AI changes, especially. And every quarter, Oracle is releasing a new features list, and we need to read those new features list, and we need to present those new features list to the customer. And if the customer is interested with those new features, then we need to further configure those new features, and we need to present again a demo to the customer. And if the customer likes that new feature, then we need to configure that in the application. So this activity we need to do it on quarterly basis as part of the support project itself. Okay. And so far, any questions, team, before I go to next slides? Freshers and beginners, non-IT folks, okay? So confidently, you should start asking questions, okay? If I come across new terminology or new any word, okay, note it down and ask me. Or if you're, not confident to ask in front of everyone, you can note down in a book and then ask me at the end of the class, okay? So make this session interactive. Everyone with me, say yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you're all good so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, this is Raghava. I joined
Yes, sir.
late this session. I
Okay.
would like
Yes.
to mark when I say about an ERP, we have multiple vendors in the market like SAP, Workday, Oracle Fusion.
Yes.
What is major role in market Oracle Fusion? What is the market growth?
Basically, SAP and Oracle, we both are competing each other. Okay, so Microsoft Dynamics and then Workday, these are all having a relatively less share in the market. Okay, and SAP is also because of the cloud. Okay, SAP, they don't have, it's a big discussion basically to say, to give you the comparison. But slowly Oracle is coming into the upper hand when you compare with SAP. I'll tell you two major reasons. Okay, one is technology adoption. So nowadays everything is cloud. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Okay. SAP, they don't have their own cloud. They don't have their own cloud. Okay. SAP is confusing the customers to go to Microsoft Azure or AWS or Google Cloud. Okay. That is one biggest disadvantage SAP is currently having. Okay. And one more is the technology adoption. Okay. So Oracle is investing a lot of money and to bring a new look and feel, new functionalities, and to change a complete shift of the technology in Oracle Fusion application. That's why it is a little higher side when you compare with SAP nowadays. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
One
it's a big debate again. Okay, so I don't want to get into that discussion because it will take another 30 minutes or 1 hour time.
Yeah.
You may be having your opinions and I may be having my opinions, and then it's a debate topic, team. Okay.
Krishna, small query.
Yeah.
What is the future of Oracle Fusion along with the IT technology emerging in the market?
I will show you a video. Okay, so just wait. Okay, I have a video. I'll show you, and you'll realize.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah, one question.
Hi, Krishna.
Is
Sorry.
it covering only financial sector or HR sector? Any specific is this fusion
All.
you are
All.
going to cover? All
This
are?
is supply chain. This is supply chain. Okay, so you cannot able to do everything. Okay, so we will be handling only one particular area. So we handle supply chain, procurement, and then like us financial consultants that are there in the project, HR consultants are within a project. Suppose example, to construct a house, is it possible with single person? No, right? You need a lot of people, lot of team is required, okay, having different skill set. So we'll be handling only supply chain procurement, and other consultants will take care of financials and HCM. It is not possible to do everything by one guy. Okay.
Hi Krishna, Palni here.
Yeah, Palni.
Since we have touched upon this questions about this sustainability and all, I just have like one question. See, generally, like what is the like for fusion if any organization has to afford like so how about this cost of the costing and all, like how it comes, like what is the minimum size of the organization that can afford fusion?
So basically, it's not like that, suppose if you take tech lead side, suppose if I wanted to use Oracle Fusion application, I can use. Okay. So there is
Okay.
no minimum criteria like your company. So the companies who are in R&D also, R&D in the sense they are not into sales, right? So they're investing on the R&D. That sort of companies also they can implement or they can purchase license for Oracle Fusion application. It's all how you have money and then how you want to invest. Okay, if you're not into profit or sales also, you can still buy Oracle Fusion application. And again, the licensing and cost is based on different factors. Nothing but you want to implement which module and what is the number of users that will be using that particular module, and how many number of years of subscription you want to take. You want to take 3 years or 5 years. So based on all these factors, Oracle will give you the estimate or quotation. Okay. I have a Oracle licensing, nothing but pricing document, a PDF available. Okay. If you want, I can share you at the end of the demo.
Yeah, please.
Hi Krishna, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
So I'm in a different platform right now. I'm working on a cloud admin from last 6 years.
If you don't mind, I would like to take the questions on whatever we completed so far on the previous slides. Okay.
Okay.
Previous slides, if you're having any questions, we can discuss. Anything related to generic, let's put at the end of the demo. Okay, related to your career advices or other generic questions, I would like to put it at the end of the demo. Okay, because we don't divert from this topic to the other topic. Okay, currently we are learning what is ERP, what is Fusion applications. Okay, let's stick to this topic only. Okay,
Okay.
does that make sense, everyone?
Hi,
Yes.
Krishna, one question.
Perfect.
A question related to the topics that I completed. So
Yeah.
yeah. Go ahead.
As you said, like after EBS, so Oracle needs everyone to move in
Yeah, by
2000.
earlier 2030, but it's extended to 2035. Correct.
So if it is not moved, like it will be a compulsory to move the companies from Oracle.
Basically, Oracle will not support you. Okay, it's not compulsory. If you are still in the Oracle EBS, okay, if any product support, if you required from Oracle EBS, Oracle will not support you. If you want to continue using EBS, you can use.
Okay, and I got the mention R12 is the EBS, right?
So your voice is low. I lost you.
R12 is the EBS
Correct.
latest version.
Correct.
Okay, and like after Fusion latest version will be
So this is what latest version. I just
R13.
R13 24D.
Okay. Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Next, since we are talking about Oracle Fusion and cloud, terminology, we have to know what is SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Okay. So we'll become SaaS consultants. SaaS consultants are nothing but functional consultants. Okay. So before I explain you what is SaaS consultants, I will explain you IaaS and then PaaS. So what is IaaS consultant? Infrastructure. Who is maintaining our infrastructure? Who is maintaining our infrastructure?
DBA.
Oracle, right?
Oracle.
Oracle. So these DBS, nothing but these IaaS consultants are working for Oracle company only. In your projects, you will not see DBS. In your projects, you don't see DBS. So DBS,
Yes.
but these infrastructure IaaS consultants are gonna be from the Oracle side only. Okay. What is this PaaS consultants does? This PaaS consultants, nothing but they will develop the reports. Suppose let's take we are implementing Oracle Fusion for tech lead site. I would like to see my last quarter sales. Okay, or I would like to see, last quarter I have ran a discount and I would like to see what is the loss to the company. So that's kind of reports are developed by the PaaS consultants. Not only report development, they also integrate different applications. Okay, suppose if you take an example of, I think you know Cultifit, right? Cultifit is into fitness industry, correct? Cultifit. You all know about Cultifit?
Yes, yes.
So the Cultifit currently using Oracle Fusion applications, but where you are placing the order, you are placing the order from their website or from their mobile app, correct? So once you place the order in these platforms, automatically that order information is integrated and transferred to Oracle Fusion application. So that sort of integrations are also built by PaaS consultants. PaaS consultants, basically PaaS consultants, they develop the integrations for different systems to exchange information. The different system has to talk to each other. They has to exchange the data. They has to exchange the information. That integrations are built by the PaaS consultants. Okay. So if you ask me EBS terminology, which is a technical consultant. Okay. Clear? Freshers and beginners, non-IT folks, I worry about you only. You're clear or not?
Clear.
Okay. Next, we are going to become SaaS consultants. We are going to become SaaS consultants, nothing but functional consultants. Okay, what is our role? So this product is already built, right? This Oracle ERP, Oracle Fusion ERP, it is already developed by Oracle. We don't develop again. Okay, don't think like we develop a product. Normally, generally, software and IT means we think we are going to develop the product. Okay, we don't develop the product. The product is already developed by Oracle. Okay, so we are going to configure the application based on the client requirement. Okay, let me share my screen. I'm opening the application. I'll show you from the login page. Let me show you from the login page. So no diversion for the next 45 minutes. Please concentrate in the class. Keep your mobiles in silent mode, and if possible, write any new points in your book. So this is the home page. Okay, and you need not to install anything. No plugin, nothing to be installed. If you are having internet, that is enough. And you can open this application not only from the web laptop, you can open from your mobile phone also, your tablet also, your tab also. Okay. And after I click on sign in, what is our work? I'll tell you an example. What is our work? I'm navigating to the setup. Okay, I'm switching to the procurement. Suppose if I take an example of our real life, suppose when we are in our childhood, if you want to purchase something, you need your mother approval or father approval, right? Yes or no? We need their approval to purchase something. So similarly in the application also, every person, nothing but if you're a director, if you're a manager, if you're a vice president or CEO, you have your approval authority. Okay. So if you're purchasing something, it has to route to that approval person to approve that purchase. So that configuration we are gonna configure here. So what we are gonna configure here, the approval matrix. Who has to approve? If it is below $100, who has to approve? Or between $100 to $500, who has to approve? $500 to $2,000, who has to approve? Okay. So that data, who will give you? Your client will give you. So we have to talk to the client and we have to gather the requirement from the client. We have to configure that approvals in the application. And after that, we need to test it. What I'm trying to say is we need to configure this application based on the client requirement. What is the client requirement here? Suppose an example, if you take purchase approvals. Your client is going to give you the data. If it is below $100, your manager should approve. $100 to $500, director should approve. $500 to $10,000, vice president has to approve. $10,000 to $50,000, senior vice president has to approve. Your client will give you this data. You have to talk to the client and gather the data, document it, and configure in the application, perform that approval setups in the application. You test it, and your test results also document it, and you communicate that to the client, and your client is going to test. And once your client is happy, you can migrate this to the production, nothing but live environment, the real environment, live environment. So this is the exercise we follow for this setup. The similar exercise we follow for other setups also. We don't design any application here. In the designed application, we configure the setups. Okay. To learn this application, you don't need any coding. Okay. It's a user-friendly, nothing but UI application. We have to know what this application is offering. That's it. You don't need SQL. You don't need Java. Okay. You don't need any C or C++, no programming, no Python also. Okay. Being a SaaS consultants, we use this product and we configure this product according to the client requirement. Okay. So if you ask me EBS terminology, which is called as a functional consultant. Okay. So next, as I mentioned, all the major models are available currently in Oracle Fusion application. It could be supply chain management, procurement, and financials, and HR. All the models are available. So our focus is to learn supply chain management and procurement. We're going to learn these two offerings. Okay. These two offerings, if I separate into modules list here, this is what we are going to learn. These are the modules that we are going to learn: inventory, product management, order management, GOP, distributor order orchestration, pricing, and then costing, and under procurement suite. All these are the modules under procurement suite. All these are the modules. Totally 13 modules I'm covering. 13. Any prerequisites to learn this course? No. No SQL, no Java, no C, no Python. Only one prerequisite is you have to think like a businessman. You have to think like an entrepreneur. So you know what is sales order, purchase order, basic business knowledge you have, right? Invoice, okay, returns, warehouse. You have basic business terminology knowledge. That is enough for this course. Okay. Sir, which graduate can learn this course? Any graduate can learn this course. But only thing is the dedication is required. Dedication is your qualification. That's it. No other qualification is required. Okay. I mean to say, no other qualification is required means if you are just SSC passed out, it's not possible. Okay. Basic BTech or basic degree is required. Okay. And then dedication is the one more qualification that you should possess till you get the job. And these are the major topics. These are the modules. In the previous slides, I covered modules. And these are the major topics. For detailed topics, you can check out the course curriculum that we have emailed you. Our team might have sent you a WhatsApp message also for the detailed course curriculum. Please have a look at detailed course curriculum. These are the major topics that we'll be covering in the classes: order to cash cycle, return sales order, drop ship, back-to-back, and sales order approvals, and credit holder functionalities. And for order to cash and P2P cycles, I will explain you the accounting entries also, nothing but which is debit side, which is credit side, along with the table information as well. So I have other slide also. Approvals is major important topic for any implementation. Only exclusive on the approvals, I'll be taking 8-hour session only on the approvals. I'll be covering all the different hierarchies that Oracle is providing, and then period close process, how to customize the orchestration, customer facing documents, and what are the standard reports are available. Okay. And these are the migration techniques. So these are the migration techniques related documents. Okay. What is meant by data migration? Data migration is nothing but simple example. If you are using a mobile, okay, and you purchased a new mobile, from the old mobile to new mobile, you have to migrate the data, right? Your contact information, photos information, you have to migrate, right? Similarly, from the old ERP to the Oracle Fusion ERP, we need to bring the client data. It could be related to item information, sales order information, customer information, supplier information. All those data we need to bring from Oracle to the Oracle Fusion application from the old ERP. So for that, Oracle provided 3 different techniques: FBDI, ADFDI, task level upload. Okay, I'll be covering all those 3 techniques in the classes. And then we can also migrate the setups from one instance to another instance. Okay, you have a test instance and you have a production instance. So if you configure everything on the test instance, you can migrate that setups from the test instance to the production instance. Okay, not only like that, you can do vice versa also. From the production instance, if you want to migrate configurations to the test instance, that is also possible. So from one instance to another instance, we can migrate our setup data. Okay, not only setup data, master data also we can migrate. So that we'll discuss in the classes. Okay. And then for every project, we follow certain approach. We follow certain approach. As per Oracle guidelines, we follow OEM methodology. We follow OEM methodology. OEM methodology is the implementation methodology that we follow. OEM methodology. Let me take you to those slides. Yeah, this is the methodology that we follow. So project design phase, configuration phase, validation phase, transition phase, relation. In each phase, what we do. In each phase, what we do. Okay, suppose if you see here, in the second phase, what we are doing, we are configuring the application. And we are also validating the application, nothing but we are testing our configurations. Okay, and in the validation phase, we are loading the data. So the screen is self-explanatory basically. After completion of the course, if you look at the screen, you're able to clearly understand what we are going to do under each phase as part of the OEM methodology. What is meant by OEM? Oracle Unified Methodology. Oracle Unified Methodology. So this is the methodology that is suggested by Oracle for our implementation projects to follow. And we prepare some documentations. So we need not to prepare all these documentations, not required. Okay, few documents, I would say max to 6 to 8 documents we prepare during our project time. And I have those project templates also, which I prepared for my projects. I have those templates also. I will share you, already those templates are available in the Google Drive. I will share you those templates and I will be explaining those templates also. Okay, so that directly you can handle an implementation project using those templates as a reference or a copy. Okay, and I would like to talk about the current look and feel of this application also. Already, this is basically, I would say, current world, and these are called as ADF screens, nothing but whatever the screens that is built based on the ADF technology. So this is the current screens. One major problem with the current screens is they are not reactive, nothing but they are not compatible. Okay, if you open this application from a tablet and a mobile, the responsiveness is really poor. Okay, that's why Oracle is changing the look and feel of this current pages. Okay, into Redwood. Suppose I'll show you a screen. Okay, if you see here, this is laptop. Okay, this is tablet and this is mobile phone. This is how compatible Oracle Redwood screens. It's basically new user interface, new user experience. Okay, and then compatibility, the reactiveness to operate this application from different sort of devices, which is currently missing in the current application. Okay, so this is gonna be our new world. Okay, and these are called as Redwood screens. Okay, I will show you a short video. Okay, this is what I'm talking about here, team. This is what I'm talking about, responsiveness. Okay, so if you are opening the application from, this is what the new screens. See here, the same page you see in tablet and you see in mobile also. Responsive layers, the different UI user experience. Okay. I will show a sample video which has 2 to 3 minutes. I will also cover, sir, why you are talking about Redwood. I will also cover why I'm talking about Redwood. You're able to hear the audio?
No.
No.
Maybe Zoom noise cancellation, I think. Okay. That's why maybe you're not able to hear the audio. Okay, but let me play the video and I will give you the audio. Okay. This is all, So this is going to be the dashboard. This is going to be the dashboard, how it looks like. Okay. And suppose if you wanted to see your inventory information, or if you want to see, I would like to hire, let me pause the video. So this lady is operating Oracle Fusion application from which device? This lady operating Oracle
Tablet.
application?
Tablet.
Tablet, okay. And she's trying to order what? She's trying to order, let me show you.
Ice cream.
Yeah, she's trying to order an ice cream. Suppose if you wanted to see your inventory information, you can type like this so that automatically it comes up. And now she's trying to order, ice cream. Okay. Now she will get automatically recommendations to she's ordering. Okay. So this is going to be the new look and feel of Redwood pages. And going to the procurement to purchase that, first requesting for ice cream, and then after the approval, she's going to convert into purchase order from the procurement dashboard. Now she is using mobile phone. And also to place an order, to place a purchase order, you see here, you need not to go and enter. You can simply chat with the application. See what she is doing. She's chatting with the application. Okay, I want to purchase uniforms. Okay, just see. And automatically application is giving the recommendations. So we can build this catalog in the application. Application is automatically giving these recommendations to add to your cart to purchase. Would you like to purchase all? Have you seen that? I think you've seen it, right?
Yes, sir.
What she has done, would you like to purchase all? She selected buy now, okay? And it's going to create a PO for us. Okay. So this is the new generation application basically, okay? So compatible screens and reactive screens to operate this application across all the devices. And also it is, getting embedded with the artificial intelligence and then generative AI and machine learning, okay? Currently HCM already completely migrated to this new screens, HCM, HR. But in our supply chain management and procurement, only few screens are currently on Redwood. During the classes, I'll be covering those Redwood pages also. I will give you the taste and feel of the Redwood screens also during the classes, during the explanation. Okay, but but not all the pages are in Redwood under supply chain management. It will take another 1 to 2 years for our supply chain to be in Redwood pages. It will take another 2 years. Okay.
Krishna, can you please explain what is Redwood thing?
So basically user interface, the new look and feel, user experience is what current market demanding. and the reactiveness of the pages. You can open this is a screenshot. If you see the screenshot, same page, it is reactive, well reactive if you open in laptop, if you open in tablet, and if you open in mobile also. Okay. Currently, this reactive, this compatibility is missing with the current pages. Clear?
Is it nothing but the Oracle Corporation itself? Their front-end UI developers will develop these
Correct.
screens.
Of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
They're going to develop the product and they will give to us. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this new look and feel test is gonna be provided in the classes also. Okay, but it's optional. Currently, it is optional. It will take 2 years time for us to use this complete Redwood screens for the supply chain application. And this is about the course details. So course will take 70 hours of time because I have a lot of modules to cover, and I'll be covering from simple to advanced, from basic to complex. After completion of this course, and if you parallelly practice along with me, you'll be in a position to put 6 to 8 projects in your resume and you can try for the jobs confidently. But not only just attending the training, okay? So you have to practice the scenarios or daily assignments that I'm giving. And I have already predefined interview question and answers. Predefined interview question and answers are there. Totally 500 interview question and answers are there. And I'm going to conduct mock-up interviews also. Okay, so if you are able to do everything parallelly with me and you are able to get the jobs very quickly. Okay, so mostly the students, what they do is they will connect to the classes. After completion of the classes, they do the practice, and after practice completed, they do the resume preparation. After resume preparation, they attend interviews. You should not do the things sequentially. If you do things sequentially, it will take 1 year time. If you do it parallelly, you can get the job within 5 to 6 months itself. So attend the course and then parallelly complete your assignments and practice. And parallelly, after 50-60% of the course is completed, you can start preparing your resume and appear for interviews also once 50-60% course is completed, and try to attend as many interviews as you can and gather the questions, and then find out answers for the questions which you are not answered, and then reapply for new job and continuously attend the interviews till you get the job. This exercise you have to do it parallelly so that you'll get the job in 5 to 6 months. There is lot of demand is there in the market. And one more biggest advantage with Oracle ERP is recession effect is very less. Recession effect. Okay. So this is a business-based application. Even during the recession also, business is not going to be stopped. So if you take any other technology, there is an impact with the business with the recession. Okay. But our application, less impact with the recession. And one more advantage with our application is many people knows SAP, nobody knows Oracle application. That is one more advantage because supply is less and demand is more. Supply is less because in the market, the consultants who are available on Oracle Fusion application and Oracle ERP is less, but demand is more. Okay. And one announcement to all of you, kindly, submit your form. My team is trying to reach out to you. Kindly submit your form. Okay. We shared a Google form, right? Kindly submit. And also, few people are connected from your iPhone devices and it is showing iPhone here. Kindly change the name to your real name. We don't know if you put iPhone. Is that your name is iPhone? No, right?
Okay.
Kindly change your name. 3 people names are showing like iPhone. Kindly change your name to real name, please. Okay. And
Krishna, the
I
timing,
shared,
is it from 7 to 8 or 8 to 9?
sir, I'll come to that, sir. Okay. I shared a form in the chat. Okay. Kindly fill that form, team. Kindly fill that form, team. Okay. So somebody is using pencil.
The course timing is 8 to 9, is it? Or
Yes.
7 to 8?
Course timing is 8 to 9 a.m. IST, sir.
Okay.
And total duration is 70 hours and daily 1 hour, Monday to Saturday. Daily 1 hour.
Is there any evening batches?
No, I'm working professional, sir. I'm working for a US company.
Okay.
So
We
I-
also working so that I'm looking some other timings if is there any or else any early sessions.
Okay. So right
Yeah.
now, currently the slot available with us is 8 to 9, sir. Okay. In 7 to 8 timing, one more batch is running. Okay. That's in the middle.
78, huh? Okay.
Yeah, 7 to 8. That's in the
This,
middle. So it will
I
take
have
time
one
to
question.
complete.
This access means it is a tenant or else is a server basis access?
Sir, I think you people has to allow me to complete that part explanation. Okay. I'm
Okay,
here
okay.
to explain this point. Okay. I'm coming to that point also. As of now, I explained, about duration and timing, and then Monday to Saturday. Let me explain the remaining also. Then I'll take your questions. Okay. So give me another 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be completing it. Okay.
Okay.
So as I mentioned, the timing is 8 to 9 and the same meeting ID. Okay. First 2 classes also you can try. You can connect tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. 2 classes you can try, and I would request you to verify the content because I'm covering a lot of topics and I'm giving the depth knowledge. Please verify the course curriculum and please try 2 classes also. And please check out our Google reviews also. For supply chain management, we are the #1 institute in the market. Okay. And we are also giving 6 months application access. The 6 months application access is nothing but the same instance which I'm using for the classes. The same one will be provided to you. You can also practice under the same application. We will provide you 2 instances. Okay, one is a refresh instance and another one is a non-refresh instance. You can practice in both the instances. Okay. You will get 1 year membership. 1 year membership means suppose you registered for this batch. Okay, for some personal reasons or professional reasons, you are not able to continue in this batch. Okay, you have 1 year time. Within 1 year you can attend as many batches as you want. Okay, maybe in future I'm starting maybe evening batch, I don't know. Currently, I don't have a slot, but maybe I don't know, suppose maybe if I start 7 to 8 batch or maybe weekend batch, any batch I'm starting. Okay, you can attend those batches till 1 year time. And every live session recorded and uploaded to our mobile app. We have a mobile app also. We have Android app and we have iOS app also. Every live session recorded and uploaded within 2 hours into our learning portal. We have a web portal which is called as learning portal, LMS portal. You can access those videos from your mobile and from your laptop also, by section wise, by module wise, by date wise. Okay, in case if you are missing the live classes, don't worry, you can access that mobile app or laptop anywhere in the world. And I have material which I prepared, including the screenshots, that also I will share you. During the practice time, you can refer to the material or you can refer to the video and then you can complete your practice. And since I'm working on Oracle Fusion application from the last 8 years, okay, whatever the project knowledge that I'm having, that implementation tips and help I'm gonna provide you. There is a WhatsApp group also. In the WhatsApp group, I'm also available. We can discuss and we can share our knowledge. In case if you are getting any doubts in the practice, you can get it clarified from that WhatsApp group also. Okay. Predefined interview questions are there. Interview question and answers are there. Okay. You can catch up. Currently, those interview question videos are also available in the YouTube channel also. So you can go and catch up those videos from our YouTube channel as well. And I'll be conducting the mock-up interviews. Okay, based on that mock-up interviews. Not only that, I'll be tracking the attendance and I'll be providing the daily assignments and I'll be conducting the mock-up interviews. And accordingly, I'm going to give you counseling on how to prepare your resume. Because by assessing all these 3, I'll come to know how many projects you're capable to put in your resume to handle the interview. Okay, based on your assignments, based on how you are answering in the mock-up interview. If you're answering really well, then we can put 6 to 8 projects in your resume. But if you're answering in an average, then we can able to put 2 to 3 projects only in your resume. Okay. So once all this is done, and there will be a placement support. Okay. We have our own companies. Okay. We will sell your profile. We'll market your profile to the companies that currently we are partnered with. Okay. That is about placement assistance. And I would like to explain about the learning portal. I'm stopping my screen share. And I'm sharing my screen back to you. This is our website team. We are ISO certified also. And I will show you from the login page. This is our home page. Okay, and I'm clicking on the login and I'm entering the username and password. So once you register for this course, you will get access to this learning portal. And once you click on the login, currently in my login, lot of courses are there in my login. Okay, suppose if I take supply chain management course, if I click on that, so all these videos are uploaded here by module wise. All these videos are uploaded by module wise here. Okay, you can see product management, inventory, order management, costing, procurement, topic wise, day wise, in an organized manner. Okay, and you can also enable the subtitles when you are watching this video, and you can control internet quality speed also. Suppose if your internet quality is really good, then you can increase to 1080 pixel, or if your internet quality is bad, then you can go with the 360 pixel also. Quality adjustments are also available, and then speed adjustments also available. Okay, increase the speed and decrease the speed of this video. Okay, and from this platform you can also access the application for practice. So we will be keeping the application details under the lab section. If you click on the lab section, you can see the application details, and you can take those application details from here and you can practice. And after completion of this course, after watching all these videos, if you mark all these videos as completed, then your course progress changed to 100%. Once it is changed to 100%, we are asking you to complete your profile information to, once your profile information is complete, then you'll see a download button. If you click on the download button, you can download your course completion certificate directly from here. A digital course completion certificate you can download, and there is a scanner also available. You can scan that certificate and you can put it in your mobile as well. And then overall satisfaction, we value your feedback, and if you think, is there any way that we can improve to provide better quality knowledge to the students, then you can provide your satisfaction here. We will review your valuable feedback and we'll try to, update ourselves. Okay, not only this learning portal, as I mentioned, we have a mobile app also. You can download the mobile app from the Play Store and from the iStore also as well. Okay, and I'm talking about mock-up interview videos, right? Currently, they are available under our YouTube channel also. So this is our YouTube channel link. Okay, in case if you are interested, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch up the interview question videos and then the latest videos from the. You can also, check out the videos that are available to enhance your cross skill set knowledge also. Nothing but your learning supply chain management, you can get some insight and idea on financials and technical and HR, the cross-functional related videos also you can catch up from here. Okay, and I will be checking the practice status also every day. Okay, I'm again stopping my screen share. Let me open my email ID. Can you see my screen? I'm sharing, team.
Loading. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I request all of you to complete your practice and then send me the status. Okay, daily I will review the status. Daily review. Okay, so if you want to learn any skill, okay, it requires a practice. It requires a practice. You want to learn swimming or you want to learn driving, okay, you have to do your self practice, right? Then only you'll become perfect and you'll become master in that skill. So not only just attending the classes, okay, you have to send me the practice status like this on everyday basis, and then you have to complete the assignments which I'm giving. Okay, so these are the current batch students practice status from them. And I'll be showing the materials also. So materials we are providing from the Google Drive only. So this Google Drive access, we will give it to you. In this Google Drive, I have uploaded materials by module wise. Suppose if I take inventory documentation, okay, this is one of the example document I would like to show you, including the screenshots and navigation. You can refer to this material and you can practice the concepts. Okay. Not only material, I have my real-time projects templates as well. So here, if I go to the methodology here, requirement gathering template and project configuration templates and a project plan, also sample project plan is available, and some test cases are also available. Okay. And then OEM methodology. Okay, I'm talking about implementation methodology, right? And this is a 2.5 hour video team. In this 2.5 hour video, see here how to execute an implementation project that I covered here. After looking at this video, you are able to prepare your own resume, and finally I will review that resume, and then if any changes are required, I'll give the feedback, and then later you can start uploading those resume in the different job portals to apply for the jobs. Okay. So that's all from my side for today, and I'll be here to take your questions, team.
Yeah, I have one question. So I was looking into the job descriptions for the particularly SCM Fusion.
Before I take your question, I don't want to call you as an iPhone. Okay, I want to know your name because I requested, but you're
My
not.
name is Rahul. I need to check how to change it here.
Yeah.
But my question being, can you emphasize more on the projects? Because as per my understanding, in the job requirements, they usually ask for 1 or 2 full cycle implementations.
Correct.
If someone like I am a functional consultant working in Infosys and my client is Intel, so I work for their supply chains, but I am not entirely exposed to ERP side. Currently, I'm working on E2 Open project, but not particularly in SAP or Oracle. So by when we do the projects that you have mentioned in the this course, will it add value to your resume, or they will be expecting us to work on full cycle implementations? What can
Basically, if you practice along with me, okay, you can put one end-to-end implementation or 2 end-to-end implementations in your resume, and you can confidently say that you did the 2 implementations.
Okay, in that way we have to do.
Advanced knowledge, real-time knowledge, I will give you, but again, practice is required, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So a question from the chat, Bhuvan, if we learn Oracle Fusion while working on Oracle EBS, will it be different or concepts will be same as? See, functionality, business process is same. Okay. So business process is same, but the different look and feel functionalities, the way that we operate the application is different. It could be SAP or Oracle, any ERP. Business process is same. Okay. Look and feel and different features are available. If I compare Oracle EBS with Oracle Fusion, business process are same. Again, I'm repeating. Business process are same. Again, I'm repeating. Only difference is in terms of features, in terms of look and feel. You'll find the differences between the 2 applications. Okay. And if I compare model-wise, differences with EBS to Fusion, order management is completely changed. If you take order management, almost 50% is changed when you compare with Oracle EBS. Procurement, 70% is same with EBS, and the pricing also completely changed. And inventory same with the EBS. Okay, it's very easy for the EBS consultants to upskill yourself to the Oracle Fusion. Okay, am I clear, Bhuvan? Yes, Siddha, I just answered this question to Rahul. Yeah, this is, after completion of this course, you'll be in a position to handle 6 to 8 years of, projects interview. Okay. But again, practice is required. Okay. If you're able to practice well, then you're able to crack the interview. Okay.
Hey, I have just one question. While going through the PPT explanation, I heard that SCM is different and procurement is different in Fusion. Is it? Is it something I'm confused or? Do we
in case
name
of
SCM
yeah,
as
in case
different
of
kind?
EBS, we call both under supply chain management only, but in Fusion it is actually separated. Procurement is separate and supply chain management is separate in Fusion.
So if business want to use both modules, will they use the same login URL or do they have different login URLs?
Sir, sir, for financials or HCM, anything, any module, same application only, same login only.
Okay. So just like different responsibilities in EBS, they have
Correct.
different.
Correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Got it. Yeah.
Good morning, sir. I am Bhagyalakshmi.
Hello, Bhagilash.
Sir, this course will be different from my career. I don't know about this course. First of all, I have zero knowledge on this course. How it would be helpful my
Basically, no prerequisites, madam. No prerequisites to learn this course, as I mentioned. Only the business knowledge and continuous commitment is required till you get the job. That's it.
Okay. As a fresher, how
Any
could
graduate,
it help me, sir?
you are from any background, you can learn this course.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thanks, Sai Lokesh. Yeah, you can drop off. Any more questions, team, related to?
Hi, Krishna.
Yeah, Palani. Go
See,
ahead.
apart from this kind of getting placed in the jobs, so will you give insights like how to do the freelancing as well, like if at all we are like.
You already submitted your details, I believe. Okay.
Yeah.
Team is gonna contact you if there is any equivalent opportunity that comes for your skill set. We will
Okay.
approach you. Okay, and then we can discuss about it.
Okay.
Hi, Krishna. Amol this side.
Yeah.
So I want to just ask that I can see currently the demand for procurement module, right? Because I don't see that much opening in the procurement. That's why I decided to learn other module as well. So is this a really case in the market that
Not required. Okay, so if you learn supply chain and procurement, that is enough. Okay, a lot of demand is there, sir, but we are unfortunate that we are not finding. We are finding consultant, but they don't have skill. That's a problem. Okay, I'm myself in my current company, a lot of openings are there, but I'm doing the interviews, but I'm not finding a great guy. Okay, that's a problem. A lot of junk is there in the market, sir. They need to upgrade themselves, if they do a traditional way, and if they say I have a knowledge of the back 10 years knowledge, that's not going to survive in the latest market, sir.
because I see opportunity in the manufacturing,
No, sir.
inventory, product
That's
management.
absolutely correct. That's absolutely wrong. It's a myth. Okay.
Hi, Krishna. This is Santosh.
Hello, Santosh.
Yes, sir. Actually, three days are so only demo, na? So Monday will be started course.
No, sir. From tomorrow onwards, I'll be getting into the topics. Today,
tomorrow will be started.
Yeah.
Okay. Demo only 3 days. Actually, we will give the 3 days demo.
No, sir. Only demo is today, and tomorrow day 1 class, and after tomorrow day 2 class. I'll be getting into the concept from tomorrow.
Okay.
Start with the basics.
Okay. Totally only SCM, sir. This is only HCM also.
Sir, supply chain and procurement, you're not there because I went through the modules and topics,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Only basic fundamentals. Totally issue we will be getting.
Sir, if you see the first title also, what I'm covering?
Yes.
Management and procurement.
Right. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, are you starting from tomorrow onwards? Means?
Yes, madam. Tomorrow only.
Okay. Then how much time it will require to complete this whole 70 hours? Around 2 months.
Because we don't work on Sundays, right? And there would be holidays also there. It will take 3 months, madam.
Okay, 3 months. Okay.
Yeah, 3 months it will take. Because there would be festivals, there would be Sunday offs. Okay, total I need 70 hours means it will take 3 months.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain how big the team will be in the real time?
Paina. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, you're talking about what? Paina?
No, how big the team will be in the real time?
It depends, madam. Okay, if I ask you this question, suppose for any house construction, how many labors are required? If I ask you that question, what is your answer? It depends upon how many floors and what is the size of that house construction. Correct? And it
Yes,
has to be
yes.
completed in how many months? Suppose 5 floor
Yeah.
construction, if you are having 2 years time, you can put less labor. You want to complete in 6 months, you have to put more labor. Okay, depends, madam. Lot of factors are there. Accordingly, the project, the team and project size is identified for the project.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir.
Mahesh, you have a question which is not related to them, but day-to-day issue on procurement model and supply approval process. You can see approval flow status if the supplier was removed and promoted to. Yes, we can see that, Mahesh. Yeah. We are able to promote the supplier from prospective to spend authorized, and you're able to see that approval workflow.
In the supply tab, I can see there are the pending approvals and it is in complete status.
Yes.
But actually, is there any way to see the flow, exact flow?
Exact flow in the sense it is pending from who approved it or.
Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah.
You're not able to see any hyperlink again is the current status. If you open that supplier, the supplier current status again is the current status. Are you not able to see any hyperlink? If there is a hyperlink, if you click on that hyperlink, you should be able to see who has already approved it. Currently, it is pending for whose approval, and in future, who is going to approve that supplier. Check that. Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, I have one question. I am non-ERP module.
Sir, 1 second, sir. I'm answering questions from the chat. I'll come to you. Piyush, yeah, currently 8 to 9 slot is available, sir. Okay, and 7 to 8 batch, it will take time to start. Okay, it will take minimum 1 month time to start the 7 to 8 batch, Piyush. Okay, are you there, Piyush?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
But one thing is, if you register for this course, for this batch, you have the liberty to join any other future batches that I'm starting. Okay, and whenever you're not able to connect to the live classes, you can catch up the recording from the mobile app and learning portal as well. Okay, next question, please. Someone is trying to ask my question. Who is that?
Yeah. Thank you. Actually, I am from non-ERP background. Just anyhow, I would like to know learn any one of the ERP which is leading in the market.
Okay.
But recently in my organization, I heard one news like about Workday. Workday is going to lead in the market because of all our HCM portal going to use in high-end organization. But here I need one suggestion from you, which is good. Like suppose you are if I am learning Fusion, will you able to cover all modules, or else is there any respective module we need to learn?
You don't know, that's why you're asking this question. But nobody is gonna do everything. Okay, again, I'm repeating to you. Okay, nobody gonna do everything. So you're not gonna learn all the modules. Okay, so you'll be choosing only one area, and you'll be experting in that area. It could be HCM, nothing but HR, or it could be supply chain, or it could be financials. You have to choose one particular area, one particular course, and you have to learn that. Okay.
Yeah, that's asking you. We are the expert is here, but I don't know which is good one here in Oracle Fusion.
Okay.
Because one of my cousin brother facing a lot of issue. He learned about SCM in one of the vendor, but when I onboarded here, he is going to support technical perspective along with some reportees. Now he's in confused states. So I thought any good suggestion from here to going to take this course.
So first of all, you are confused between the models, and also you're confused between the which product to take, nothing but Oracle or Workday. Okay, so every product, it could be Oracle Fusion or SAP or Workday. Every product has got their advantages and disadvantages. Okay, if you compare, we have currently 2 operating systems for our mobile, right? iOS and Android. If you compare iOS and Android, some people will say iOS is good because they like security, and some people they like Android because they want it to be user friendly. Okay, so that's how the comparison with Workday and Oracle Fusion. But Workday is a smaller ERP, and Oracle is a big giant. Okay, and if you see PeopleSoft, you heard about PeopleSoft, Raghava? PeopleSoft is also famous for HR.
Yes,
okay,
yes,
but Oracle has done, Oracle has acquired that company. Because Oracle is a giant. Oracle is killing all these ERPs by acquiring it. We don't know when Oracle is going to kill Workday also. We don't know.
Yeah,
Okay.
you are right here, but thing is, we as a teacher, as a non-background, we are fearing about which is good. That's what apart from nothing. Anyhow, we need to put our efforts. Some area we need to look at job. We need to work independently in future. That's what I'm looking. Any good suggestion from you?
So what do you want to learn? You want to learn supply chain management or human capital management?
That's what. See, I today the first today I am the one just joined, but
What's your background?
your session I'm interesting about your learning. Your teaching is very nice. That's what now I decide to take this good opportunity, but still I'm in confusion which is good for continuing my career next 5 years. I don't require all module. I require any one of the leading module.
What is your qualification?
MCA.
MCA. Okay. Generally, HCM is learned by the HR folks, nothing but who completed MBA HR and who are working currently as a core HR, and they will be learning this HCM module. In fact, I'm also MCA only. Okay. So I suggest you supply chain for you. Okay. For
Thank
supply
you.
chain, I suggest Oracle Fusion only. Again, it's up to your personal decision also. So you can do your self-research also on the web, and then you can take your decision. But I'm also from the MCA background for your information. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
So
Krishna.
if you want to learn supply chain management means don't go with Workday. Okay. Undoubtedly, you have to learn Oracle Fusion only because Oracle Fusion is stronger in supply chain, procurement, and financials. Okay.
So just one point, we have submitted that Google form, but not sure whether you have received or not. It's a like a suggestion if you can put the names of the forms which you have received, so that we'll be able to know whether.
I already did in the starting of the class itself.
Yeah, you read out the names. You read out the names, but I believe mine was not read out, so I'm not sure whether I'm Bina. So I'm not
Okay.
sure whether you have received or not.
Do you have any question to me?
No, right now, no. Just the Google form, whether you have
But
received or not.
please confirm me
Yeah, I
whether
have
you
one
have.
question. I had one question in the chat that was before Piyush
Okay, yeah, I think I answered it. Yeah, I see your
for the
question.
time. Yeah, the time slot.
Bina, okay. Padma, can you please confirm whether we see
Yeah,
the
we
B?
received details, sir.
Okay, thank you. We
Thank
we have your details, madam.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I,
Krishna.
I have one question, sir. So, how are customizations different? Like in ERP, we have so many customizations, and in cloud, do we have any customizations, or it is all seeded, or what? What are the differences between ERP and cloud? Like,
Customizations as well here also. Okay, but a problem with this cloud product is it's a quarterly upgrade product, right? So your
yes.
customization should not get override on quarterly basis. Okay, so you have to think about all those aspects, and then you have to build your custom functionality around it. Okay, but if the client is having lots of customizations, okay, then Fusion application is not recommended. So some clients, they do heavy customizations. I would say 50% or 60% customizations are there. Then cloud is not a right place for them as of now. Maybe in the Redwood, in future we are gonna coming up with Redwood screens, right? Okay, maybe that will give a comfort level to handle the customizations.
Okay.
Thank you. So this is Vinay this side. I
Okay.
mean, as per the new implementations, we also have upgrade from 11i to directly cloud or R12 to directly cloud.
No upgrade, sir.
I mean
From
Fusion. Yeah,
no
upgrade.
from Oracle EBS to Fusion, sir. Okay, you have to do a fresh implementation. Okay, if
Okay, there is no because usually. Okay. Okay. So usually if you're if you're staying in the same R12, if there is a 12.1, 12.1.2, if we usually have upgrades in EBS. So if you're doing it from R12 to R13, then it is a fresh implementation.
So that's a other ERP. Okay, Oracle asked us to consider Oracle EBS is a separate ERP, Oracle Fusion is a separate ERP. Okay, that's why no upgrades,
Okay.
sir. It's a fresh implementation. You have to do it in Fusion
Okay.
again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. In this, sir, one more thing. In this, when talking about supply chain, there are also instances where AP invoices and AR invoices also come into picture. So, will you be giving insights on the financial
Yeah,
also, a bit of financials?
order to cash cycle, procurement, procure to pay cycle, I'll be showing till the ledger posting, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Till the ledger posting, I'll show you for
Sir,
those
one
two.
question. You said that you'll show some how the modules are priced in Oracle and something like that, right, sir?
Yes, correct.
So will you be able to show that?
Discuss in the coming classes. Already 9:43. Okay, most of the crowd has left already. Okay, we can discuss that in the coming classes, and you can also
Okay.
Google it and download that PDF document from the web also. Okay, you can just type Oracle Fusion price list, Oracle Fusion licensing price list 2024. Just type that. You'll
Okay,
get
sir.
the PDF link.
Oh, just
There
for a
you
night.
can see, yeah, there you can see module wise procurement and then financials. Module wise, minimum how many number of users you have to purchase per module, and what is per module license cost, you'll see over there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Hi, Krishna. I'm Rajesh. I think before to join the class, I have a few queries about this course. I think me and Raghav are working on a same company and we are in a cloud platform. So we are almost 10 plus years and almost we crossed in the 38 years. Why I am asking this queries means this is right to change from this cloud
We
to Oracle.
we have to, otherwise, you still have another minimum 12 years of career. Okay, you have to change, sir.
Yes, sir. I think this is the right time. So where there is no
At
option
least
for
in this 12 year, you have to get into a higher positions and then you have to get into higher side packages, correct? So
Yeah.
to grab those two opportunities, you have to enhance your skill set. You should be multi-diverse skill guy to get into the next level roles like a solution architect or a project manager role or a technical manager role. You should have experience, knowledge into Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion across all the models as well.
Okay, can I go for with SCM, sir? My background is MSc Computers. It is okay for that, and for SSM is fine to me.
Your background is?
MSc Computers.
MSc Computers. Yes, sir. You can learn.
Okay, thank you.
So generally, financials. Suppose if I take financials is learned by somebody who has commerce background, BCom, MBA finance. Okay.
Oh.
And those people who are working as an accountant on Tally, okay, they'll take financials. Or working as a HR, they will take HCM module. Okay, so supply chain management is actually common module which any graduate can learn. Okay.
Okay.
But again, one thing you have to question yourself is you're saying already you are 38, but you should have that student kind of mindset, and you should be able to take out some time, out of your daily busy life to dedicate and practice on this application. Okay.
No, that is no issue, sir. We are already preparing so many things, and finally we decide to move to Oracle SCM. So that part there is no issue from me and Raghava. But this is the right or not? That is my query.
You have to try, sir. Okay, you should not get regret after 10 years or after 5 years. Okay, give a try. Okay, but the try should be proper.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, sir, I had one query.
Yeah, Imad, tell me.
Yeah. Actually, sir, like as you told, like this is SCM model. So after the completion of the course, can we apply for like there are two separate job roles, you can say, like procurement consultant and analyst, and one more is like SCM.
Correct. You can apply for both. That's correct.
Okay, so like both we are good to go with that.
Correct.
Okay, and one more thing about the access, you have mentioned two access. What is the difference between that two access? Like one you told something fresher access and some.
A refresh and non-refresh, nothing but one application is the data get refreshed every week, one application, and another application data won't refresh. Whatever the data.
Okay, so both.
It will last. I mean, it won't get erased.
Okay, and validity for both the instance will be only 6 months.
6 months, sir. Yeah, because we are also paying to Oracle and we are getting from Oracle. It's not free from for us also. That's where the limitation is there here. For 6
Okay, do we get any dummy kind of like software for like just some models, something like that? like which is offline just.
So whatever I'm teaching is a real-time project only. Okay.
Right.
Real-time.
And this project will be like from hand, like on hand, like experience from like complete from scratch to implementation for a complete project.
Okay. So you want to work as a real-time, you mean to say as a shadow, or that's what your question is?
No, I mean like I've just like I'm new to this domain. Like I've just 1.9 experience, 1 year and 9 months. So my question is like, if I go like we can move to consultant like after this course, so it will be like complete end-to-end project work we can do.
Yes, sir. Complete end to end. Okay. I answered this question, if you don't take me wrong, multiple times I answered this question.
Yeah,
Itself.
but as you told like 6
It's
to
a-
8 projects, so I got like confused. How can we
Sir,
complete within 3 months duration, 6 to
this
8
point,
projects?
okay, if you see this point, okay. What I said is,
Yes.
after mock-up interview, okay, I'm gonna do the counseling for your resume preparation. After mock-up interview, I'll assess your level of knowledge currently. What is your level of knowledge? And then I will assess you whether you have to put 1 project, 2 project, or 6 projects, or 8 projects.
Yes, sir, I got it. Like actual, how many we will be doing like during the course duration, like 1 or 2?
Sir, we do one only, okay. But
Okay,
in
got
this
it.
project, we came across different scenarios, different project requirements, different business cases. Okay. So whatever the 18 years of knowledge that I'm having, and I'm gonna share with all of you.
Okay, sir, got it. And one more thing about the video instance, like how much access we will getting for that recorded videos?
1 year,
Like,
sir. 1 year membership.
for recordings also.
Yeah, 1 year membership.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi Krishna, my background MBA HR marketing. I will go for SCM. Is useful for job.
You're from HR?
HR marketing, MBA.
MBA HR marketing. What you are currently doing?
Currently doing is nothing. It's only financial job. Something normal. Area telecom sectors. I go for software.
Okay. From how many years you are working on that current job?
3 years.
What is your day-to-day activities?
Hello.
What is your day-to-day activities in your current job?
Current job is only marketing field. Some things 7 members are available here. So all daily preparations of your jobs. In the morning at 10 to 5 o'clock. This only 7 members only under my job, sir. Only marketing something.
So, in which year you passed out, Santosh?
I pass out MBA 2018, sir.
2018. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One thing is, you're not considered as a fresher. Okay. So you have to project some experience that you have some work.
No problem. My friend also is 8 years experience in this job, sir. Software field. He
Okay.
suggested me, sir. No problem. Santosh is
Okay.
suggested, sir.
Okay. So then you
Okay.
can also take the advice from the same guy only. You can ask him whether supply chain is good or HR is good. Okay. So you can learn
Yes.
anything. You can learn anything, not a problem.
Okay. Okay.
But one more thing that you should focus on yourself is the communication part.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Greatly.
Not
Thanks.
only learning the subject, because in IT communication plays a 50% role and 50%
Okay. Okay.
only subject. Okay.
All
So
right, sir.
to
Okay.
balance
Thank you, sir.
the
Thank you.
things.
Okay. I will go first. I will. Thank you, sir.
Any questions left?
Hi, Krishna.
Mohit, you
Hello.
want to ask anything?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Mohit.
So, Krishna, recently I had one training for SCM only from some other institute,
Okay.
and I got the subject material and I got the concepts. But now, what I came to know that SCM is moving to Redwood. So, will there be major changes in SCM part, SCM side?
Not today.
Because
Okay, down the line, as I mentioned, only few screens are currently on Redwood, not all the supply chain screens. It will take another 2 years. Okay, and even I'm not recommending my clients to use Redwood pages because the Redwood pages are not completely matured. Still some bugs are there. Okay, so HCM side, HCM, HR, completely they are into Redwood, but supply chain it takes time for the next 2 years.
okay, so I read some documents from Oracle, and that states that from 25A, some parts of
That is only
procurement
that
will
is
be mandatorily on Redwood.
yeah, that
And
is only
will
for
there be
that is only for this module. Responsive self-service.
self-service?
Yeah, this I'm covering.
Okay.
This will be the new module which is mandatory from 25A onwards.
Okay, so will you cover this in training?
Yes, that's why I mentioned here.
Okay, that is on Redwood only.
Yeah, correct. That's on Redwood.
Okay. And also one or two more questions. Uh, will you cover that sourcing and qualification management completely? Like recently, when I had my last training 1 year back, they only take one class hardly on sourcing part, and I'm
For
not clear on
sourcing,
that.
I'm taking a 4 hours, sir. 4 hour session. That is absolutely fine to cover entire life cycle.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
So there I'm covering, how we can convert requisition into an RFQ and we can invite our suppliers and then how we receive quotations and how we analyze quotations and how to award a quotation, how to convert into PO. And then we have two types of negotiations are there, standard negotiation and two-stage negotiation. And I'm also covering how we can award two suppliers. Suppose you found two suppliers are really interesting and you want to award 80% to one supplier and 20% to another supplier. Okay. So that
Okay.
I'm covering. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, and video access, we only have access through website only. We will
Correct.
not be able to download and
Right.
see it later.
Right, sir. Yeah.
Hey, hi,
Okay.
Avnish. I have a query.
Yeah, Avnish.
Yeah, as you suggested that you will be covering all the modules and related to SCM and the procurement, but what I have a doubt that it requires a domain knowledge because the what is the inventory, what is the purchase order, what is the
I'm not from
customer.
domain side, sir. To be honest, I'm not from domain side. Okay, domain
Okay.
knowledge is not mandatory. Okay, so while I'm teaching, also I'll take simple examples. Okay, so if you take an example of data migration is a technical word, but that I explain in a simpler way. Like if you purchase a new mobile, from old mobile to new mobile, you have to migrate the data. Okay.
Sorry to cut you in between, but
It's not mandatory to have that. If you're having domain knowledge, it is good for you, but it's not mandatory.
okay, it's not mandatory. No? Anyone from the any background can
Myself
learn
is
the
the
concept
example.
of the
Sir.
module and
Myself is the example. Okay, after my MC, I started career directly without any domain knowledge and domain experience.
okay. So it will not be an hindrance in the
Yeah,
progress.
correct. Yes.
And other queries that I am planning for the next 5 to 8 years because my active working space is only for that because I'm already 50 years of age. So
Okay.
will it be better for next 8 years?
Not only next 8 years, sir, next 20 years also, I can promise you.
That's good. Okay. Post retirement, I can become a consultant. That what you are suggesting?
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Long last, it's not like other tools. Okay, other tools, they come into the market, they get into a good hype for 1 year and 2 years, and then after 3 years, you won't see that in the market. It's not like that.
Correct.
Sustainable
Okay.
tech, which is sustaining from so many years, from 1980 onwards. Yeah.
Correct. I guess industry survive on this. I mean, ERPs only, and they are not very much affected by the AI.
Exactly. That's also correct. That's the next point that I want to say. Okay, because this is a human thing. Human has to do it. Okay, because you have to talk to the client and then understand what they are looking out and then document it and then you design nothing but you configure the application according to the client requirement. Okay, this cannot be done by robots.
Get it. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Hello.
all good. Yeah, Farid, tell me.
Yes, Krishna, I just wanted to clarify because I'm from a different domain. I'm from the customer support background, but I don't have any idea about this ERP, SCM, anything. So I just needed a clarity about this. How is it going to help us?
Multiple people, and I answered it already. Okay. So no prerequisites and then no particular qualification is required for this course. Okay. You should think like a entrepreneur and businessman. You should have a minimum basic business knowledge like sales order, purchase order, vendor, customer, supplier. That's it. Okay. That's a prerequisite. Okay. Only thing is any skill, any technology, if you take not only Oracle ERP, you want to learn some other technology or any other technology, only thing is commitment and focus is required. Okay. Somebody says, I learned the technology, but I did not got the job. Okay. So there is a commitment issue also in him. Okay. Maybe market is not supporting him. Maybe no, there are no jobs in that technology. I accepted it. But one more thing that person has to accept it, commitment. Ajit, kindly don't play. Ajit, don't play. Please be quiet. Okay. Understood, sir. Commitment. Okay. Focus and commitment is required. And this is as I mentioned to Avinash also, Bisham, sorry. This is a long-lasting technology, nothing but application. There are a lot of market. Is there a lot of jobs are there? Okay. The market is not finding a right talent for the jobs. Even in fact, I have that scarcity also. People expectations are high, but in reality, their knowledge is very poor. That is the current.
Sorry. Your voice was a little static.
I think there is some issue from your side. Okay. From my side, everything is good with the network. Okay, Afrid?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay. Any more questions, team? Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow. Same meeting ID, 8 to 9 time.
8 to 9. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.